What is retail analytics software? Retail analytics software gathers sales data, identifies trends, and presents them in an easy-to-read format to help businesses make informed decisions. Common features of retail analytics software include data collection, which automatically compiles and organizes information from every transaction. Reporting breaks down large amounts of data and can use predictive analytics to identify future trends, vulnerabilities, and opportunities. Dashboards gather reports into easy-to-understand key takeaways, often providing interactive visual assets such as charts, graphs, and tables. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.